Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here to go over the AA Ignition Variable Camshaft Timing Kit that fits a variety of Ford and Lincoln vehicles with the 5.4 liter V8 engine. This includes a variety of vehicles from 2004 to about 2008, and includes the F-150, the Expedition, the Lincoln Navigator, and so on. So as you can see here, this kit includes a lot of components. So I'm going to go over the components one by one. So over here, we'll start off. We have 4 timing chain guides. This is what the actual timing chains ride on. We have a new crankshaft sprocket, as well as two bearing races. Down here we have 2 new timing chains. So the chains actually ride on the guides, like I explained earlier. Then over here we have 2 timing chain tensioners, and you'll notice that these are actually labeled. It might be hard to see, but there's an R and an L on there, one for the right, one for the left. And you'll notice here that there is this little piece of metal on here. This is keeping the tensioner compressed, so you don't actually want to remove this until it's time to actually tension the chains. The next thing that's included is the Camshaft Phasers. These come vacuum sealed and pre-oiled to avoid any sort of contamination or rust on them. So you can see these are vacuum sealed. You're not going to want to open these until you go to install them. So those install on the camshafts. We have 2 phaser bolts that are included. These bolts are one-time use bolts, so you don't want to reuse the factory ones. We have a tube of high-temp Rtv sealant, which is for sealing up the timing covers in certain areas. And then coming over here, we have a number of seals and gaskets that are used for resealing all the timing covers that are removed when you install the timing kit. Now, this kit is designed for professional installation. You have to retime the engine when you install this kit. So professional installation is highly recommended. We're able to provide you with a copy of the factory repair manual that goes over the procedure, but this is a very critical installation, and if it's not performed properly, it can result in engine damage. So for that reason, professional installation only. If you guys have any questions about if this is the right part for your vehicle or anything installation related, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.